scientist.
I collect spores, molds, and fungus.
Why worry? Each of us is wearing an unlicensed nuclear accelerator on his back.
Hi, I'm Matt, I'm a Ghostbuster, and I do science stuff. It's been a long time between episodes, but today's episode is all about electricity. Stand by, it's gonna be shocking! Alright, so I'm here at Ernest Junction Tunnel, and I have an electrode, plasma ball, and energy bar. We're gonna try the plasma ball first, so let's go in and see what it looks like. Ghostbusters can't run. Not very well. Echo! Alright, nice and dark. Let's see how this goes. So the plasma ball sends out energy beams from the diode in the middle, and when you touch it, your finger gives it a point of contact to direct the electricity. So this is a really tiny one. If you go visit the science center or something, they've got really massive ones. But this is just a kit that you can buy at any toy store or department store and have some fun at home. How cool does that look? Yeah. So much fun. Alright, so this little device is called an energy bar. It's really simple. It's got two ends with the metal caps and it's got a metal bar running in the middle. So the human body conducts electricity. So this is really cool, right? Touch one end, touch the other end, it lights up. So you are completing the circuit. What's even cooler with this though is it can work with multiple people. Alright, so grab the end. So good. Oh my god, nothing happened. Take hold of it. Hold my hand. Oh, we have an electric connection.
Can we do it again?
Do it
Because
again.
I said toss off. I'm Christy.
Hi, I'm Curtis. I'm the Ghostbuster.
Alright, energy bar. So it doesn't just work with two people. You can have an unlimited amount of people to complete this chain. Alrighty, so what are we going to do? I'll grab that, you grab that. No, other hand. Alright, hold my hand. And you guys got to hold hands. Oh my god, look at that! That's so cool. Can you feel the power?
I can feel something. There's something happening.
Ooh, I'm going, ooh, that's what you're feeling. Yeah. Cool. Done. I will see you on next time on I'm a Ghostbuster and I do science stuff. Is that even the title of the show? I don't know, but it is for this episode. See you next time.